Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly what you own and why. Start with the work type and provenance. Gather timestamped originals, emails showing creation, source files, and any metadata. These serve as primary proof. Next, check contracts, employment terms, contractor agreements, and any prior assignments that could transfer rights. If the work was created by someone else, make sure there's a clear written assignment. If created by you, preserve drafts and publication records. Once done, organize everything into a single evidence folder for registration. Now prepare the registration packet and follow the form logic closely. Select the appropriate category, text, visual art, sound recording, software, and pick the correct claimant type. Complete the online CO registration portal or the matching paper form such as Form TX for text. Include all author and claimant names and dates. Prepare required deposit copies, full work if small, representative samples if large, and apply redactions only when allowed. Make digital backups and review every field for consistency. Finally, submit your application, pay the fee, and secure the registration evidence. Use the official portal for faster processing or mail the packet with tracking. Note the filing number and confirmation date. Pay the correct fee level and save receipts and the registration certificate when issued. This creates the public record and enables statutory remedies. If problems arise, missing info or rejection, respond within the stated window, correct, and resubmit. As a troubleshooting tip, always keep editable files and evidence to reopen or amend the claim quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.